What is going on, guys? This is KP and welcome to your episode number 3 of Visual Studios. In the previous episode we basically integrated some codes to our tool. We have completed our menu section and we have added an auto detected function. Now it's time to add codes to this all button. So this time I'm gonna be going a bit faster. Okay, for the install app we have command ADB install and the app names or app path. So it's like this: if our device is connected, then or else. So basically we need something to browse our APK. So for that, we'll be using open file dialog. Now we'll be clicking on the open file dialog. We'll be typing here none. So here open file dialog dot filter, that is, it should show only APK files. So APK file. Now APK files are of two types. One are APK type and one are zip based type. So this will shows them both. Open file dialog one dot show dialog. Okay, so if our device is connected, then it will execute some commands, or else it will directly show no device connected. Then it will browse for our APK path. So you need to browse, and in between, if you close the dialog box, it will cancel all this process, or else it will set a variable and path name. So this is the path actually we have browsed. The APK file name is the path. Okay, and then we have putted some 4 colons in it. Now what are these colons is basically, for example, let me show you. If I'm opening a command prompt, so this all thing will be executed by command prompt. So for example, I've browsed it. You can see that there are no spaces between them. Now if I add a new folder and if I placed a DLL into it, now if I try to browse it, you can see that there is an colon. Now why this is? This is because we have some spaces between our path. So now suppose if our user has browsed some APK path which has some spaces, so it will automatically add this 4 colons. Now 4 colons means actually a 1 colon. In Visual Studios 4 colon is equal to 1 colon. I don't know what the fuck logic they did, but it's basically right for it. Then it will use ADB execute command no return and ADB install command. Let me sign. Yep. Now the time for the uninstall app. And uninstall application goes like ADB uninstall and the package name. So you need to know some package name. So we will be using an input box. So dim A is an input box. Now this will store our package name, whatever user we're gonna give, into a variable A, and then we will be executing our ADB command. Then for push file to our phones, we will be using our Android lib, and in that we have some specific command like device push file path as string. So file path is open file dialog one dot file name. Device push file is an open file dialog, means our path name, and it will push our file to SD card, means our internal storage, and this thing. This is our save file name, that means the file name. Now pull files also goes same thing like we have. Okay, then we have sideload file. Now sideload file is basically very good to use. Okay, now basically I'm not doing it right now cause I don't have any test phone to test sideload function. So basically I'm keeping it reserved for our next episode, that is episode number 4. And now I'm currently focusing on this 3 button, then our web page and help and support things. Okay, so basically I'm creating a process that will run in the background, and then we can stop it right now. We can stop it. So I've added some 2-line codes, that is, so here are, we don't need it now. I have created a new process, name as P, so name as P, dim P as new process, then P start info, arguments, here are the start info file name, arguments. Now here is the basic thing, that do until P has exited. No, it will basically won't exit anything. Okay, now we have to create a new button on our form, that is, for example, and it is basically not visible until that process has been executed. Okay, so we will button 9.visible. That is for each P1 in the process. ADB, please kill it and please close it. That's it. So here we have completed our logcat function now. So this 2 and this will be in the next episode. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about this or about me or about anything, leave a comment below and I will try to answer it as possible as I can. So this is it. Thank you for watching and peace out.